In this video, I'll show you how to remove tracking changes comments in a Word document. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So this is the document from where we are going to remove the tracking changes. So for that, just click on Review tab at the top and firstly just uncheck this box track changes, so that from now whatever you change, this kind of red words or this red letters won't appear. And also in case if you just want to hide this, in that case you can just set this option to original, so that all the tracking changes will get hide but not removed. To remove them, just set this on all markup, and here we are just going to hit right click, just accept the deletion, and similarly we just need to do this to all the red signs or all the red letters. So this thing is to remove the tracking changes, but in case if you want to remove the comment, in that case either you can just click on resolve on the comment, or you can just hit right click and just click on delete comment. So yeah guys, that's how you can remove tracking changes comments in a Word document. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.